Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. We've got a headlight out on the 2018 Dodge Durango, so I figured I'd bring you along while I change it out. Maybe you can learn something if you have the same vehicle. This vehicle has a single high-low beam bulb right there. I'm going to show you how to access it and how to swap it out and what to look for. Okay, so depending on what side you're doing, I'm doing the right-hand side or passenger side. You want to take the wheel and turn it in at least one turn of the steering wheel so you have easier access. And where you're going to be going is up underneath this fender well, and there's an access right there. Right there. You're going to take that and you're going to turn this off. It may be kind of stiff and hard to get off. Just mess with it and it'll come out of there. Okay, so you take it off, set it on top of the wheel or whatever. And further inside, and I'm hoping the lighting's going to be okay on this. It's kind of difficult. Right there, you see another round object. And there's a tab on the side right there. Terrible lighting, I know. That's going to screw off as well, and your light bulb where it plugs in is housed behind that. So I've got that disconnected. I'm trying to work it out of this hole now. All right, there we go. This is the piece that you're looking for, and that screws in. It's got like just a regular cam lock right there, but that's what you're looking for. It's got a seal, and it's got a tab on either side, so you can take that and literally just turn it, boom, and that'll unlock, and you kind of wiggle it out of there. Now, I might have to get you a light, but you can see up in there, up in that hole, way the hell up in there, is where you're going to go get that light. I'm going to try to get a light in there so I give you a better view. Okay, now with some better light, you can see inside that compartment up there, and you can see that plug on that. I can't even point it out. It's so tight in here. But you can see that plug right there. And that's what we're going to be. We're going to unplug that, lift that tab up, take the plug off, and then that light bulb is going to just turn counterclockwise, a quarter of a turn, and come out. Okay, you can see now I've got that plug disconnected. That will just, it's just loose in there. It'll move around. So I'm going to get that out of the way, and I'm going to take that bulb and unlock it and spin it out of there, which the bulb is right up there. There's the plug, there's the jack. Okay, so here's the old one coming out. Something to note here. When you find it, like I said, it's going to be like this. And to loosen it, you literally turn it counterclockwise. 1/4 turn, it'll back right out. So this one is blown. Doesn't function. This is the second time or third time it's happened on this vehicle. So here is something to note. This is the old one. We've got the new one here, still in a protective case. From last time I did this, these things are expensive as hell. They're LED. There's the bright Sylvanias. Always wear latex or nitrile gloves before you handle the new one. If you leave the oils of your skin on these LED bulbs, it will shorten the life, I promise you. So wear the latex gloves when you're putting the new one in. Okay, brand new bulb here. You see I got my gloves on. I'm getting ready to put that back up in that cavity up in there, and it'll be a 1/4 turn to the right. Try to remember which way. This one's oriented up like this, so I'll be turning mine 1/4 turn like that. Okay, you see up there I've got it all back together again. The bayonet connector is on for the light. Next thing is to get this environmental cup, I guess you'd call it, back in place. This is, of course, the reverse. The installation is reverse removal, so you're just going to put that in there and turn it, lock it in place. It's kind of a pain, but use these tabs to turn it until it locks into place the best you can. And then after that, it's just this surface thing. It's right there in the top of your wheel well. This bad boy right there just pops in and you turn it just like the other thing. And you are done. And we already did an op check and the light works well. Okay, so there you have it. Quick and easy headlight bulb replacement, but thought I'd put that out there to show people because a lot of people don't even know you have to access it from the back in the wheel well. And literally, if I wasn't making the video, I could have had this done in less than 5 minutes. So there you go. 2018 Dodge Durango headlight bulb replacement. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Like and subscribe. All that good stuff. Mount Pleasant Farm. I try to bring you along on every little job I do. Have a great day.